डॉक्टर बाबासाहेब आंबेडकर ओपन यूनिवर्सिटी.
Namaskar and good morning, friends. I am Dr. Dhaval Pandya. Welcomes you all from the Chaitanya Studio of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Open University. Today, we are going to learn about MBA02 subject, research methodology. A code is MBA02C204, block number 1 and unit number 1. Okay. In this unit, we will learn starting from introduction, then meaning definition of research, then importance of scientific research, then types of research, basic fundamentals in research, research problem, formulation of research hypothesis, and finally functions of a hypothesis. So starting from introduction, okay, in today's lecture we will try to cover introduction and meaning definition of research. Okay, we'll start with meaning. First, in introduction, in this unit we will cover introduction to research, research problems and formulation of research hypothesis. Starting from introduction, research is as old as mankind itself. The earliest creatures that predated human being were probably well aware of fire. When lightning would strike a forest and create a fire, it probably intrigued and amazed them. Many scientists believe that the controlled use of fire was likely first achieved by an ancient human ancestor known as Homo erectus during the early Stone Age. Evidence at some of the archaeology sites indicates that the use of a fire could date back almost 2 million years. In northern Japan, archaeologists found the remnant of ancient flatbird in what was once a fireplace. The entire journey of human evolution is a witness to how the human curious has been the propelling force behind all research. All the inventors and discoveries are outcome of persistent and systematic research and nothing else. Now meaning. Research is a process to discover new knowledge. Normally, the prefix re is understood as again, leading to the misconception that research means to search again. That understanding is incorrect. The word research has its origin in the Middle and Old French word researchy, where re means experting intensive force and searcher means to search means to search. Thus, research means an intensive, con- uh, concentrated search for a specific target set. Consider an example: a mosquito bites you. You clutch your arm and angrily look around for the mosquito. You are performing a search. You are just looking for the bug to kill it. Now, if you start to develop a cure for malaria, you search. You perform deep searches, analyze patterns, and conduct tests. In other words, you are doing multiple searches. Now, definition of research. Research is defined as a systematic investigation, like the gathering and analysis of information, designed to develop or contribute to generalizable knowledge. Research is a process of systematic inquiry that entails collection of data, documentation of critical information, and analysis and interpretation of that data or information in accordance with suitable methodologies set by specific professional fields and academic discipline. From a process and purpose perspective, research is manipulation of things, concepts, then for generalizing purposes, the result should be proposition which tells us to expect something when certain conditions influence them, then to extend correct or variety knowledge, and the knowledge is to be put to two uses. First is theoretical, second is practical. We can understand it by this chart. Okay. Motivation for search can be there to pure research, understand, know, increase knowledge for knowledge sake, and applied research. It covers define a problem, taking an action to solve it, knowledge for application. Research can also be defined as the creation of new knowledge and or the use of existing knowledge in a new and creative way so as to generate new concepts, methodologies, and understanding. This could include synthesis and analysis of previous research to the extent that in it leads to new and creative outcomes. A broad notion of research is that it is a creative work undertaken on a systematic basis in order to increase the stock of knowledge, including knowledge of humanity, culture, and society, and the use of this stock of knowledge to devise new applications. This definition of research encompasses pure and strategic basic research, applied research, and experimental development. Applied research is original investigation undertaken to the acquire new knowledge, but directed towards a specific practical aim or objective, including a climate driven purpose. Business and management research is usually aimed at finding solutions to problems or exploring opportunities. Thus, most business research is applied research. The we can see the table. Okay, okay. The table shows or mention some key differences between pure and applied research. We can see in table. Pure research, applied research. There are few things. Only out find out what and how. In pure research, applied research more current connected with why. Okay, so these are the pure research and applied research. We can see the difference. One by one we can see. Only find out what and how, more connected with the why. Same time, solve abstract problems and solve specific problems. Life is for science and science is for life. Then laws are not discovered to solve problem, they are only stated an existing fact. Right? And in applied research, speed up the process of building theories. Right? Building theories. Now, not at all research is done to find answer to question being asked for the very first time. The some search might have been done countless time before. A huge chunk of It also includes analyzing the same search result uh, differently or drawing different conclusions. So, with this note, we conclude today's lecture. What kind of question can be asked from this lecture? What is the meaning of research? And define research in detail. So, with this note, we conclude our today's lecture. The next lecture will be in connection with the same unit number 1. Till then, goodbye and take care. Thank you very much.
स्वाध्यायः परमः